So this is what the kit comes with. This is going to be the centerpiece right here. Then it comes with the side pieces that mount on. I just believe this one's this side. And then we got the other side piece that mounts on like that. Then it came with as well as hardware. And you just give me a drill. I don't know if I'm gonna cut into it yet, if I need to or not. We'll see. This is my Acura TL. This is before I installed the kit. As you can see, just the base. I'm probably gonna get a Type S flip rear soon, so this will be having to come off. But for now, I'm just gonna put it on to my base bumper. But yeah, that's how it looks before I install the kit, and we're gonna be doing the first one first. Alright, so I put the middle piece so far on it. So far that's how it looks. It's all the screws in. So I'm gonna put the side pieces down and come back. Alright, well this is the second piece now put on with that side. So it was this piece, so I just gotta do that side, as you can tell. It's going on pretty good. Alright, well this is how it looks mounted up. So I gotta put a few more screws just to make sure it's fully secured. I like the look. As you can see, it looked better with a Type S rear lip, just because it's gonna have more of an opening to match the opening of this. As you can see, the base is just kind of small. I had a Type S tips, but it should open a lot more with the Type S rear lip. The only other issue I think with this is just the color design. This one is a little bit darker than the actual middle piece, which kind of bugs me, but can't really tell too much. Other than that, it's good. It's plastic, hard plastic, so it should be fine. Might install a third brake light right here, be a little bit different. But this is a STI lip on an Acura TL. As you can see, it fits good. You can see from the side view how it will look. A little bit different than just the normal Lexus diffuser, I believe. That's because this one looks more aggressive and it has more of the diffuser on the tips, which I like personally. Only someone else have it in my town that I kind of got the idea from. But yeah, that's how it looks. Here's a quick walk around. See from the side view how it pokes out. Let me know what you think about it. I think it looks kind of sick.